Suzuki Mehran VXR 2017 full genuine outclass condition. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a low-budget car in Pakistan that is reliable, fuel-efficient, and easy to maintain, this video is for you. Today, I am showing you a Suzuki Mehran VXR 2017 in very clean condition. This car is total genuine, with only small rust professionally removed. If you want a simple family car, a daily use car, or a beginner-friendly car, watch this video till the end. Exterior walk around. Let's start with the outside. The body panels are straight and clean. The paint looks neat and presentable. Only minor rust was removed, and the work is done properly. There are new tires installed, which improve safety and road grip. The car has HID lights installed, so night driving is brighter and safer. All lights are working properly. The car looks neat for a 2017 model. If you are searching for a clean used car in Pakistan, this one is worth considering. Interior condition. Now let's look inside the car. The interior is clean and well maintained. The seats are comfortable for daily driving. The dashboard is neat, and all buttons are working. A good quality sound system is installed for music and calls. The steering is light and easy to handle. The driving position is simple and comfortable. This car is perfect for new drivers and small families. If you want a budget car with clean interior, this Mehran is a good option. Engine, suspension, and drive. Now let's talk about performance. The engine condition is excellent. There is no work required on the engine. The car starts smoothly every time. There is no smoke and no strange noise. The suspension is 100% perfect. You will feel a smooth drive on city roads. The gear shifting is smooth and easy. The steering response is light, which helps in traffic and parking. Overall, the driving experience is comfortable for daily use. AC, heater, and comfort. The AC is fully working and gives good cooling in summer. The heater is also working well for winter. This makes the car comfortable in all seasons. The cabin feels simple but practical. You can easily use this car for office work, family use, and daily travel. Fuel average and maintenance. Fuel average is good for city driving. This is one of the reasons people prefer Mehran. The maintenance cost is low. Spare parts are easily available in the market. Any local mechanic can handle repairs. This car is a smart choice if you want a low-maintenance used car in Pakistan. Documents and condition. All documents are clear and complete. The car is ready for transfer. There are no legal issues. The condition is very neat and well maintained. This is a home-used car. You do not need to spend extra money after buying it. Just buy and drive. Final price and closing. The final price is PKR 1,150,000. The price is reasonable according to the condition and model year. If you are interested, contact on the number given in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more car reviews and used car deals in Pakistan. Share this video with your friends who are looking to buy a car. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.